Alright, so we're here at the bathroom. Sink's leaking. See? Water on. Off. Still leaks. So, got some new seats and springs. Gonna replace those. First, we're gonna shut the main off. You know, hit that main. Alright, we'll come back in here. Leave all that pressure. Oh, wrong switch. Pop those off. I already loosened these up off the camera. That one just pops right off. Take our channel locks. Loosen that one. Move the soap out of the way. Loosen that one. Sorry, the camera's being sideways. Okay, channel locks. Not over yet. I felt good. I got her. Appreciate it. Boom. Boom. Oh, almost slid it. Long Allen wrench. It's the Allen wrench I use to loosen the handles. Pop that off of there. It's the old ones. Alright. New spring in there. Boom, right in the hole. Right in the hole. New seat. Drop it, it'll float. Oh, flipped upside down. So you want to make sure it flips the right way. Then you just push it down into the hole, onto that spring.
The stem won't go in if it ain't right.
Yep.
That's whatever trouble with the stems then.
And there we go. And I also always know that I get it in when you push down. You should get a little suction.
Yeah,
It should suck to your finger a little bit, and then you'll know they're in there good and tight. Let me get that to focus in on that a little bit so you can see what they look like in there. Alright, and you drop your stems back in. Tighten those hand tight. Ooh, too big. That's a little too small. That's just right. Yeah, I was trying that the right way. It just started getting a lot looser there for a second. Nice and tight. Wrench, fit right in that hole there. It's nice to have a nice long one, so you ain't got to take the handle apart to take the handle. Hey guys, so I'm just sitting here going over the videos from today, and this last video right here, the seats and springs, my phone started to die right. Well, it went down to like 5% right near the end, so it cut the camera off, and I didn't even realize it until a few seconds later when I went to actually end the video. So there's no ending to that video, so I figured I'd give you guys a little explanation for that, and just to do a little check-in real fast, and just say I appreciate everybody watching, and I appreciate all this. Well, I've got 6 subscribers now, so that's more than none. So I appreciate you guys subscribing, and thanks for leaving a few likes on the videos and the comments. So I really appreciate it, and hopefully we can get this thing going somewhere. If not, it is what it is, and you guys hopefully will just keep on watching it, and we'll just stay a small little channel. But so yeah, I just wanted to say that and let you guys know that's why the video kind of ends there abruptly. It's just because my phone was dropping down, because I have kind of well, not forgot, just haven't really had any good quality things to record the last few days. So I just figured I'd get some footage today, and I recorded, I think, 3 separate videos, and I'm going to try to get those all uploaded here soon. So my phone was low on battery, and it started to die right there at that last video, so sorry about that, and thanks for everything again, and if you guys haven't yet, please subscribe and leave a like on a video, maybe even a comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll keep them coming. Thanks, guys. Peace.